Hey guys, it's Nicole. Today I'm going to show you how to do the Sabrina Carpenter heart-shaped cutout. Super quick and easy to any shirt or dress that you already own. Get a similar color fabric and also iron on interfacing so that it's a little more stable. Iron the interfacing onto the wrong side of where your cutout will be. This is the inside of the shirt, and then the wrong side of your square fabric too. I just used a damp press cloth to iron it on. Now use a piece of paper to draw whatever you want your cutout to be. I'm doing the Sabrina heart. Your shape has to be significantly smaller than your fabric square. Instead of using pins, I'm doing the lazy way and using a glue stick. Glue the right side of your fabric to the right side of your shirt. My camera thought my zipper was more interesting than my hands. Don't use much glue. This is just so it doesn't slide around when you're sewing your shape. Now outline your shape onto your interfacing. Notice how much space is around my heart. Sew directly on that line. If you ever have to pivot your fabric, just drop your needle, lift your foot, and turn your fabric. This is how my heart looks. Now just cut the middle out. I ended up trimming off this extra. Do not trim it too close, or you won't be able to flip it to the inside. I did a little bit of clipping too. Now flip it all to the wrong side and iron it flat. It looks ugly right here, just trust the process. Now we just have to top stitch around our shape. This is the hard part because if your lines are not straight, it will show. Okay, we're done. This is how it looks. I ended up doing two. Both super cute. If you like this video, like and subscribe.